Sharp sharp. You are speaking to Lee from CMTV. I do loyalty test where I test relationships. I'm with your girlfriend. I promise her
Yeah.
1,000 rand. If when you're gonna give me her name, she's very excited. She told me about how you guys met, and she told me about your favorite color, things you like, a lot of
So,
things. And then, as I said, like I'm gonna ask you a few questions. I would love to know: is your partner light skin or dark skin?
no, udak,
Oh, dark.
Yeah.
Okay. And how long have you been together?
It's 1 year, just 1 year.
1 year. Do you have a baby
Yeah.
with him? With her?
Uh, no.
You don't have a baby.
So,
Okay. What is your partner's name?
my partner, Gutu.
Okay. I'm here with someone. She says
Okay.
she's your girlfriend.
Unaye.
Yeah, I'm with her.
Aye. I am. I'm chilling right now, fam.
Wait, you're with your girlfriend right now?
I'm with my girlfriend right now.
She wants to talk to you.
Cheating on her. Of course. Imagine the wife is here, and they are asking him questions about his wife. He does not even know the wife's name. He's answering, is defending his side chick. He is with his side chick. I'll be telling women, don't trust men like this. Men. They will break your heart.
Don't take advice from
They will cheat on you. People like, see, let me tell you, men that do not cheat on their wife, we are not 1, 2, we are like 4.
What do you
We
mean?
are not much.
Wait. What do you mean with we?
We are.
Who is the we?
Men like me.
Like you.
I can never cheat on my wife.
Uncle, you know that.
I can never.
You have been married. You have been married 3 times. So
ask me the name of my wife. I confirm it.
what is the name of your first wife?
The first.
The first one that you put ring on her finger.
See,
not the one
that's not what we are saying now. I cannot remember.
You are the faithfulest man on this earth.
No.
You never cheated on a girl before.
No, the thing is, I don't cheat on them. I only help some. You understand? Let's say, for example, the girl is lonely and she calls me and say, come let's do Netflix and chill. Will I say no?
Of course you will
And
say
in the house we don't have Netflix.
It's not your problem.
So we go for Netflix. I go there for the only Netflix and chill, and then
you go for Netflix and chill. Uncle like you do a Netflix and chill. So you're bad. You're bad.
Stop now.
But it's okay now. So according to this video now, why is the guy snitching on the other guy?
Let me tell you something. It's not about why he is cheating. The problem I have is that he fell for the trap. How can a guy man
this is a two-sided problem, man. It's a two-sided problem.
Some men are stupid. They're not wise. How can you be with your sidekick and you don't even know if your wife is the person that is sending somebody to call you, and you are telling the people, the person that you are with your girlfriend and you have around it? Let me tell you something. If you want to play this game, call me. It's not like I play it. It's just that a friend of mine knows how to do it. So
a friend of yours? Which friend? Which friend?
You don't know that one. My friend, I have many friends. So one particular friend of mine.
This my uncle got many stories he don't want to tell me.
That friend of mine, he can be cheating on his wife while his wife is sitting with him. He will not know.
You see, bad influence, and then telling me you don't believe in men like me. Uncle, you have been raising me in a bad way.
It's not like I am supporting men that are cheating. Yes. I am always saying, if you know you are doing something, at least play wise, not disrespecting your wife. And somebody calls you on the phone and asks you what's the wife's name, and you say you don't know, you are saying another name. Unlike me, I understand, I forgot the name. It's not like I don't know.
You're right.
At the moment, I will not be able, because there are too many women. I don't want to give you the wrong name. They will not say I'm cheating.
I catch you, uncle. I catch you.
So if you want to cheat, you cheat with sense. You know, it's not even called cheating. Like people like us will not cheat.
Then what do you
do? we help the other women who are lonely. We help them.
Please take his advice. Your woman was taking his advice. You see, he's helping you what do you call them? Lost woman or
No, lonely.
lonely woman. He's helping you to find happiness.
If you are lonely,
So don't complain when the man is giving you
call me.
happiness.
Yes.
Isn't it?
But please, nobody should call me to be asking me stupid questions. What's the name of your wife? How many children do you have? And what is your problem? How can you come and be breaking my home? These are people like that are home.
That's what I'm talking about.
They are
That guy.
home breakers. You want to come and scatter my house that's supposed to be.
No get break. Why they spoil another man the game his game like that?
People like us, we don't cheat. We only help the needy and the lonely women.
You are a true Christian, uncle. You are a true Christian. You don't want to shake hands.
This has nothing to do with Christianity. What? This has something to do with me helping people, and it's not cheating. It's not helping the lonely girls. Thank you.